Ever wonder why some people seem to attract money and abundance so effortlessly? The truth is, manifesting financial prosperity isn't magic. It's about aligning your mindset, emotions, and actions to invite wealth into your life. And trust me, you can do it too. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, get super clear on what you actually want. Don't just say, I want more money. Be specific, write down exactly how much you want and by when. Picture it. Maybe you want a $10,000 savings cushion by next year, or maybe you're aiming for a new job with a bigger paycheck. I love using vision boards and daily affirmations, say things like, I am a magnet for financial abundance. Repeating these intentions helps your mind focus and believe they're possible. Now let's talk visualization. Every day I take a minute to actually imagine myself living that abundant life. I picture checking my bank account, feeling secure, and even treating myself to that dream vacation. The more real it feels, the more my mind and the universe start to make it my reality. But here's the catch. Sometimes deep down, I might have limiting beliefs or fears about money. Maybe I feel unworthy, or I've picked up negative ideas about rich people. This is where emotional freedom technique, or EFT tapping, comes in. It's a simple tool to help release those blocks. If you've never tried it, just look it up. It's a game changer. Let's not forget energy. Manifestation is all about your vibe. I try to fill my day with gratitude and joy. Whether it's for the money I have or the money that's coming. Self-care, positive self-talk, and just letting myself enjoy life all help raise my vibration, making abundance flow more easily. Here's the most important part. Manifestation isn't just thinking and wishing, it's about taking inspired action. I look for opportunities, learn new skills, invest in myself, whatever feels aligned with my goals. Even small steps count. Science backs this up too. Positive psychology shows that when I feel good, I see more possibilities and build more resources for success. So it's not just woo-woo, it's real. So here's your quick guide. Set clear intentions, visualize every day, practice gratitude, clear out those limiting beliefs, keep your energy high, take inspired action, and trust the process. Oh, and don't forget to share your abundance. Oh, when I give, I always notice even more good things coming my way. Manifesting money and abundance is a journey, not a one-time event. If you stick with it, stay open, and keep taking those steps, you'll be amazed at what you can create. You've totally got this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.